Hi. Now, if you want to enter the Google spreadsheet, you just need to click on this one. More. I'd work on a toolbar just to go there, shortcut. But so far, I'd like to demonstrate this to you. If you like the idea. Now, in the sheets here, I have made one sheet here, which is the inventory sheet. When you click it, it is already shared to several people already. I have already shared it to you guys. Now, 10 people, as you can see here, here are the names. Now, who can view and who can edit? So, there is a security here. I have, this is just a temporary, just for a demonstration. You see, as you can see, Yasmin here can view, Gina Faye can view, can edit, Sir Deepak, Sir Yogi. Yeah, this is just a demonstration so that you would know the idea of this inventory sheet. Okay, so whatever you save here, it will be there for good. It's automatic saving. Even though the computer would shut off, as you can see here, hi, like that. And it goes automatic saving. All changes saved in Drive. Automatically, every second, it always saves. Whatever you want to do, it's there. So, I hope you guys can study it and give your ideas if you like the idea. Thank you.